y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. We are making a Copycat Costco muffin double chocolate chip. We're starting off with a quarter cup of butter. I'm also doing a half batch. We don't need 100 muffins and I'd rather make more than let it go to waste. Quarter cup of that and quite a bit of sugar. I'm halving it so the measurements are a little off. We're gonna do, actually don't want them to be too sweet. It says 7/8, but I think we're gonna do like 3/4. We're just gonna combine that really well, and I'm gonna get my hand mixer out. I've got that mixed together pretty well. Now we're gonna add in my warm egg, mix that up real well. Got that whipped up real good. We're gonna go in with a teaspoon of vanilla, more than that. Mix that. Now we're going to add 3/8 cup of buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk, but I can add a drop of lemon. Give that a little combine, and in the meantime, I can add a quarter cup of sour cream. That ain't much, so we're going to guess on it while this milk sits a second. I use a quarter cup constantly, a scoop, so I'm just going to guess. We're going to go with that. I have given this milk just a second. We're going to go in with it. And instead of doing 2 bowls, we're just going to do it right on top. Mix it up. We're going to go in with about a cup of flour, 7/8 lightly. I always shake mine out like this and it wants you to flatten it, but we're just going in because it's 7/8. I've never used that amount. 1/3 cup of cocoa. Alright y'all, I'm kind of making a mess with this cocoa powder. Believe this is dark. We love dark chocolate. We're just going to continue on. Alright y'all, we need half a tablespoon. Wrong one. Half a tablespoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. It'll help with the flavors, and we're gonna mix that in real quick. My phone was tweaking out. I don't know what y'all caught last, but I gave this a nice mix. This calls for a cup of chocolate chips in total. We're gonna top it with a couple as well. Not sure. These are dark chocolate chips. Oh my goodness, they're already melted in a ton. Wow, that was stupid. We'll make it work. That's what we always do, y'all. Gotta make it happen, make it work with what you got. Okay, those don't all go to the bottom, but the counter's really hot because the oven is on and it's been on for a while. So I'm gonna set it aside, grab my muffin tins. As soon as this comes out of the oven, I'll put these muffins in. All right, y'all, have a couple really cute muffin liners. We're just going to fill these up. I added a tiny bit more flour because she said it was supposed to be thick, but mine really wasn't. Hopefully that won't bite us in the butt. And I didn't want that to happen, but that's okay. It's gonna be a big old mess. I figured this would make about 12 regular muffins. Might have added too many chocolate chips. I don't know if I'll top it with more chocolate chips. There's a lot in there. And hopefully filling them up this high doesn't bite me in the butt. Looks good. Going in for, she says 5 minutes at 425 and then for 19 to 25 minutes at 350 without opening it. Here's the muffins. Some of them have already been enjoyed by my family. I think this one I put the chocolate chips on. You can't even tell which ones I have, which one I did and didn't. This one did not. This one did. It might have a little oozing out or something, but can't tell y'all. Super cute. Little heart shape. 2 different kinds. Cute little heart shape. Here it is, y'all. Bon appetit. They're beautiful, cute little muffins. They got a good rise on them, a nice dome. Kicking them up and then dropping the temp lower was amazing. These little ones took 12 to 15 minutes and they were done. We appreciate y'all for joining us in our kitchen. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bon appetit, y'all. Let's bite one open. I want a smaller one. Super moist. This one's fresh out the oven. Oh yeah. So delicious, moist, bubbly. It's so hot and my fingertips are burnt from all my baking today. You definitely need to eat this with a glass of milk. Oh my goodness. It's so good though. Cheers, y'all. Have a great day. Peace out.